What is going on, guys? Jezzi here, and I'm doing my excuse me, trade analysis for the day. Um, took a rough L on QQQ this morning, as you can see. Do I have like a freaking yeah? So on QQQ, honestly, this was not like this is a rough trade. This was not the greatest trade at all. I'm not happy about this one. Uh, Definitely rushed into it a little bit. Um, yeah, definitely rush into this one a little bit. Not going to lie. Factored in this 3 minute bearish engulfing to these two candles, but my bias for the morning was puts. So I was watching puts here. I was watching puts here. So when it kind of finally showed a sign, that's when I kind of like acted on it. I waited for this retest here. It literally rejected perfectly. Came down, broke below this low, entered, went dome, dome. Barely. My first trim was here, but it came to this high. As you can see, this previous resistance now acting as a support. Should have seen this, but happens. Not always going to be perfect. You're human. Uh, Came up, came back, started trending back down. Terrible price action. Uh, and I ended up closing around here. But so I took that loss. It's whatever, it happens. You're gonna lose. Um, but then after that, I noticed SPX was holding above this level here, formed this new low, now formed a higher low to this previous support, put the low here, entry on this break of high, broke, took that entry, take profit was around this support here. As you can see, super nice gap to be filled it perfectly. It is skyrocketing, actually. It's going pretty. It shot up. I purchased QQQ calls, and I recovered my loss from the previous loss. But I watched SPX for this trade. I watched SPX to take these QQQ calls, and yeah, as you can see, they hit. I already took my profit. Um, and yeah, those are the two trades of the day. One win, well, one loss. One, I'm not gonna say it was a pretty big loss. I definitely held it a little longer than I should have. I closed for a 35% loss. Uh, but I definitely recovered with this SPX trade. This did like 80%, and I used way more capital on this trade. Um, I give today like a 5 out of 10 on the trading. Uh, Again, not happy with this first trade at all. Should have factored in this strong buy volume. Uh, didn't shouldn't have anticipated a big move to the downside, especially with strong buyers. But you know, it's okay. Yeah, that concludes the trades for the day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day.